Did you know there are dozens of free things you can get on a flight? Most passengers never realize these hidden perks exist. In fact, airlines often have a treasure trove of complimentary items that can make your journey more comfortable and enjoyable. For example, did you know that 60% of airlines offer free premium snacks on request? Or that some flights come with free wellness kits, complete with face masks and essential oils? These are just a few of the surprises that await you in the sky. In this video, we're uncovering 18 free things you didn't know you could get on a flight. From gourmet treats to tech accessories, we've got you covered. We'll show you how to ask for these hidden gems and make the most of your flight experience. Stick around to learn how you can score extra legroom without paying a dime, enjoy luxury items in economy class, and even get free toys and snacks for your kids. You won't believe what you've been missing out on. Ready to discover these sky-high surprises? Let's dive in. 1. Sky-high surprises. Complimentary goodies you didn't expect. When you board a flight, you probably expect the basics: a seat, a safety demonstration, and maybe a drink. But did you know there are many more free goodies available? Airlines often have a treasure trove of complimentary items, and all you need to do is ask. One surprising freebie is a second meal. On long-haul flights, some airlines offer a second meal or snack if you request it. Not many people know this, so it's worth asking the flight attendant. Another hidden gem is a set of playing cards. Many airlines, especially on long-haul flights, have branded playing cards available for free. It's a fun way to pass the time, and a cool souvenir. Want to freshen up? Ask for a free toothbrush and toothpaste. These are often available, especially on international flights. It's a small comfort that can make a big difference on a long journey. Traveling with kids? Some airlines offer free activity kits for children. These kits often include coloring books, crayons, and small toys. It's a lifesaver for parents trying to keep their little ones entertained. And don't forget about free magazines and newspapers. While not all flights offer this, many international carriers provide a selection of reading materials for passengers. It's a great way to catch up on news or enjoy a good story during your flight. 2. Freebies in the air. Hidden perks of your flight ticket. You might think that everything on a flight comes with a price tag, but that's not always the case. There are several hidden perks that come with your flight ticket, if you know where to look. One lesser-known perk is free in-flight entertainment. While some airlines charge for premium content, many offer a variety of free movies, TV shows, and music. Check the airline's app or onboard entertainment system for the free options. Another perk is complimentary earplugs and eye masks. These are often available on long-haul flights to help you sleep better. Just ask a flight attendant, and they'll be happy to provide them. If you're feeling cold, ask for a free blanket. While some airlines charge for blankets, many still offer them for free, especially on longer flights. A warm blanket can make your flight much more comfortable. Flying with a pet? Some airlines offer free pet treats and water bowls. It's a small gesture that can make a big difference for your furry friend's comfort. Also, don't forget about free medical supplies. If you feel unwell, airlines often have basic medical kits that include items like band-aids, pain relievers, and motion sickness tablets. Just ask a crew member if you need anything. 3. Gourmet gratuities. Delicious snacks and drinks you can request. You don't always have to settle for the standard fare offered on flights. There are often hidden gourmet gratuities available if you know what to ask for. For example, did you know that some airlines offer free premium snacks? Airlines like Delta and American Airlines provide complimentary snacks such as almonds, cookies, and pretzels. These are often available on request. If you're on an international flight, ask about special meal options. Many airlines offer meals tailored to different dietary needs, such as vegetarian, gluten-free, or kosher. These meals are often higher quality than the standard fare. Fancy a cocktail? Some airlines provide free alcoholic beverages, especially on international flights. British Airways and Lufthansa, for example, offer a selection of complimentary wines, beers, and spirits. Tea and coffee are common, but you can also ask for hot chocolate. It's a cozy treat that can make your flight more enjoyable. Not every airline offers it, but it's worth asking. Don't forget about water and juice. Staying hydrated is important, and most airlines offer free bottled water and a variety of juices. If you don't see it on the beverage cart, just ask. 4. In-flight indulgences. How to score free comfort items. Flying can be exhausting, but there are several ways to make your journey more comfortable without spending a dime. Start by asking for a free pillow. Many airlines provide pillows, especially on long-haul flights. It can make a big difference in your comfort, especially if you're trying to sleep. Another comfort item to request is a pair of slippers. Some airlines, like Emirates and Japan Airlines, offer free slippers on longer flights. They're perfect for walking around the cabin or keeping your feet warm. Need to charge your devices? Ask if there's a free power bank available. While not all airlines provide this, some do have power banks that passengers can borrow during the flight. If your eyes feel dry, ask for some free eye drops. Airlines often carry basic medical supplies, and eye drops are commonly available. They're especially useful on long, dry flights. Lastly, don't forget about hand sanitizer and wipes. These are often available for free and can help keep you feeling fresh and clean during your journey. 5. Sky Spa. Complimentary wellness treatments on board. Air travel doesn't have to be stressful. Many airlines offer complimentary wellness treatments that can help you relax and rejuvenate during your flight. For example, some airlines offer free aromatherapy kits. These kits often include essential oils that can help you relax and sleep better. Airlines like Virgin Atlantic have been known to provide these kits on long-haul flights. Fancy a mini spa treatment? Some airlines offer complimentary face masks and hand creams. These are perfect for keeping your skin hydrated during the flight. Airlines like Cathay Pacific and Singapore Airlines often provide these amenities. Need a stretch? Ask if there's a free yoga or stretching guide available. Some airlines provide these guides to help passengers stay limber during long flights. Feeling stressed? Some airlines offer free guided meditation or relaxation exercises. These are available through the in-flight entertainment system or as part of a wellness kit. Finally, don't forget about hydration. Airlines often offer free herbal teas that can help you stay hydrated and relaxed. Chamomile and peppermint are popular options. 6. Tech treats. Free entertainment options you need to know. In-flight entertainment has come a long way, and there are plenty of free options to keep you entertained during your flight. Start by exploring the free movies and TV shows available. Many airlines offer a wide selection of content that's available for free. Check the in-flight entertainment system for the latest offerings. If you're a music lover, ask about free music playlists. Airlines like Delta and United often have curated playlists available through the entertainment system. It's a great way to discover new music. Love to read? Some airlines offer free e-books and magazines. These are often available through the airline's app or in-flight entertainment system. It's a great way to catch up on reading without carrying extra weight. Flying with kids? Many airlines offer free children's content, including movies, TV shows, and games. It's a lifesaver for keeping little ones entertained on long flights. Finally, don't forget about games. Many in-flight entertainment systems include a selection of free games that you can play during your flight. From puzzles to trivia, there's something for everyone. 7. Kid-friendly freebies. Hidden perks for traveling families. Flying with kids can be a challenge, but many airlines offer kid-friendly freebies that make the journey easier. For instance, some airlines provide free activity kits for children. These kits often include coloring books, crayons, and small toys. It's a great way to keep kids entertained during the flight. Another perk is free snacks and drinks tailored for kids. Airlines like JetBlue and Southwest offer a variety of child-friendly snacks, such as animal crackers and juice boxes. Just ask the flight attendant. If you're flying with a baby, many airlines offer free baby food and formula. Airlines like Lufthansa and Emirates are known for providing these essentials. It's a huge relief for parents who might run out during the flight. Some airlines also offer free kids' movies and TV shows. Check the in-flight entertainment system for a selection of children's content. It's a great way to keep little ones entertained. You can also ask for a free bassinet. Many long-haul flights offer bassinets for infants, making it easier for both baby and parents to rest. Be sure to request this service when booking your flight. 8. Health and hydration. Free items to keep you fresh. Staying healthy and hydrated on a flight is crucial, and airlines offer several free items to help with this. Start with free bottled water. Staying hydrated is important, especially on long flights. Most airlines provide free bottled water, so don't hesitate to ask for more. Feeling a bit under the weather? Ask for a free pack of tissues or wet wipes. Airlines often have these available to help keep passengers clean and comfortable. Need some vitamins? Some airlines, like Lufthansa, provide free vitamin C tablets to boost your immune system. It's a thoughtful touch that can help you stay healthy during your journey. Don't forget about free hand sanitizer. With health concerns on the rise, many airlines now offer hand sanitizer to passengers. It's a small item that can make a big difference. 9 secret snacks, the best free food you didn't know existed. Airline food has a reputation for being bland, but there are some secret snacks you can get for free that might surprise you. For example, did you know that many airlines offer free cheese and crackers? It's a tasty snack that pairs well with a glass of wine. Just ask your flight attendant. If you have a sweet tooth, ask for a free chocolate or cookie. Airlines like Swiss and Air France often have premium chocolates available for passengers. Fancy some fresh fruit? Many airlines provide free fruit, such as apples and bananas. It's a healthy option that can help keep you satisfied during the flight. Craving something savory? Some airlines, like Turkish Airlines, offer free hot sandwiches or paninis on longer flights. These are much tastier than the standard meal options. Lastly, if you're on a morning flight, ask for a free muffin or pastry. Airlines like Delta and United often have these available for breakfast. It's a great way to start your day. 10 Extra Legroom. How to secure free seat upgrades. Extra legroom can make a big difference on a long flight, and there are a few strategies you can use to secure a free upgrade. First, check in early. The earlier you check in, the better your chances of getting a good seat. Some airlines also allow you to select your seat when you check in online. Another tip is to join the airline's frequent flyer program. Members often get priority when it comes to seat upgrades. Plus, you can earn points for future flights. Be polite and friendly to the gate agent. Sometimes, a kind word can go a long way. If there are extra seats available, they might be more likely to give you an upgrade. If you're traveling for a special occasion, mention it. Airlines sometimes offer free upgrades for birthdays, anniversaries, or other special events. 11 First class feel. Complimentary luxury items in economy. Even if you're flying economy, there are ways to enjoy first-class luxuries for free. Start with free skincare products. Some airlines, like Emirates, offer complimentary hand cream and face mist to economy passengers. It's a small touch that can make a big difference. Another luxury is a free glass of wine or champagne. On international flights, many airlines offer complimentary alcoholic beverages. It's a great way to add a touch of luxury to your flight. Need to freshen up? Ask for a free amenity kit. Airlines like Qatar Airways and Singapore Airlines provide economy passengers with kits that include socks, eye masks, and toothbrushes. For a more comfortable sleep, ask for a free blanket and pillow. Many airlines provide these items on long-haul flights, and they can make your journey much more comfortable. 12 Gadget goodies. Tech accessories you can get for free. Flying with tech gadgets can be tricky, but airlines offer several free accessories that can make your journey easier. One handy accessory is a free USB charger. Many airlines provide USB charging ports at your seat, but if you need an adapter or extra charger, just ask a flight attendant. Another useful item is free headphones. While the quality may vary, many airlines offer complimentary headphones for in-flight entertainment. They're perfect if you forgot your own. If you're working on the go, ask for a free Wi-Fi voucher. Some airlines offer complimentary Wi-Fi for a limited time. It's a great way to stay connected without paying extra. Need a power bank? Some airlines provide free power banks to passengers. This can be a lifesaver if your device runs out of battery during the flight. 13 Entertainment extravaganza. Unlocking free movies and games. Long flights can be boring, but airlines offer a variety of free entertainment options to keep you occupied. Start by exploring the free movies available. Many airlines, like Emirates and Delta, offer a wide selection of recent releases and classics. Just check the in-flight entertainment system for what's available. If you're more into TV shows, you're in luck. Airlines often have full seasons of popular TV series. It's a great way to catch up on shows you've missed. Don't forget about free music playlists. Airlines like United and British Airways offer curated playlists covering various genres. It's perfect for discovering new music during your flight. Love to read? Some airlines offer free digital newspapers and magazines. For example, Qatar Airways provides access to a range of publications through their app. It's a great way to stay informed or enjoy a good story. If you're a gamer, check out the free games available. Many in-flight entertainment systems include a selection of games, from puzzles to action-packed adventures. It's a fun way to pass the time. Flying with kids? Airlines often offer free children's movies, TV shows, and games. It's a lifesaver for parents trying to keep their little ones entertained on long flights. Looking for something different? Some airlines, like Singapore Airlines, offer free virtual reality headsets for a truly immersive experience. It's a unique way to enjoy your flight.